Hi everyone, welcome to Just Being C'Aira. My name is C'Aira, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how I make the pineapple weight loss detox juice. So let's get into it. So for the ingredients, I have 1 cucumber, ginger, pineapple, and 4 cups of water. All of the ingredients will be listed in my description box down below. So I'm going to start off by prepping my ingredients. I'm just cutting everything up to my desired size. If you prefer, you can also blend this up together instead of juicing if you don't have a juicer. Now, I want to go ahead and go over some of the benefits of each ingredient that I'm going to be using. So let's start with the pineapple. Now, the reason why I love pineapple, of course, I did all my research for everything to ensure that it was good for your body and why it was good to use during your weight loss journey, or not even your weight loss journey, but just to have a healthy lifestyle by detoxifying your body, which is something that we should always do because when you eat certain things, it kind of sticks to your body. So it is a great idea to detoxify your body. So for pineapple, it's very fulfilling since it is filled with water, so it made me feel full really fast. Drinking this also kind of curbs your appetite from the ginger and of course the pineapple. So that's the reason why I love to incorporate the pineapple. From what I've learned, it has anti-inflammatory properties which helps to shed the fat, which is the perfect thing for weight loss. Now with the cucumber, this fruit is also full of water, which is very beneficial when it comes to your weight loss journey. It also detoxifies the body and the stomach. So the key for cucumber is that it keeps the digestive tract running. And a free tip, use cucumbers to clear your skin, okay? Keep your skin glowing, keep it nice. Now with ginger, as everyone knows, some people don't like ginger because it's so strong, but that's what our bodies really need. Ginger is the star of the show because it helps to activate the digestive system. It also helps the metabolism, which aids in burning fat, and that's the whole point, okay? And then we're gonna dilute the pineapple juice with pineapple tea. So as you all seen in the previous clip, I was placing the pineapple skins in the water and I let that simmer for 30 minutes, which created a pineapple tea. It's good for your digestive system as well as inflammation. I definitely suggest and recommend that you drink this with a straw because it is very acidic, and you can swish around some water if you need to. Now there is 2 options for drinking this. You can drink one in the morning on an empty stomach to be healthy and detoxify your body. But if you're really looking for weight loss, then I suggest drinking it in the morning on an empty stomach and at night after dinner. So I think that this will be a great drink to drink for about 2 to 3 hours after dinner, right before bed. If you decide to make this recipe, please be sure to tag me here on YouTube as well as tagging me on Instagram. I would love to see your results, and I would love to see you creating this drink and seeing what you think about it and how you feel. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you've enjoyed this video, I hope that you all consider subscribing to my channel. I hope that you all also give this video a thumbs up, and I hope that you all will comment down below what you think about this drink and if you might try it.